Welcome back to the channel.
Today we are going to show how to use your Android phone camera as an IP web camera. First of all, we need to download an app using Play Store. Search IP Webcam. You can see this type of icon, then download it. In my case, I already downloaded this application, so I open it. After the open, you can see this type of interface. Before get start, you need to connect your target device and preview device to the same network. You can use any smart device and computer to preview camera. We need to start the application web server to start it. Scroll to the bottom and click on Start Server. Now, it will show camera preview on your target device. And also show some IP address information at the bottom. Now, open a web browser in your preview device. Type the IP address shown in your target device. It will open a web page with target device camera preview with its settings. You can change video renderer type from here, and other settings also. And in here we can show camera in full screen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.